Ano-ano yung mga elements in graphic design na pwede mong gamitin to create a design? So in graphic design, para kang nagluluto. And kung nagluluto ka, of course, kailangan mo ng mga ingredients. Those ingredients are the necessary things na kailangan mo para makapagluto ka. Same with graphic design. Your ingredients are the elements of design. And those are necessary for you to create a design. Bawat ingredients or elements may kanya-kanyang purpose yan. First element is yung line. It helps make a design look organized or to highlight important elements. Second are shapes. These elements naman are like decorations, making a design more interesting and meaningful. Next is colors, which we use to make things stand out, create impact, or magbigay ng particular style or mood sa isang design. Then meron din tayong text or typography. This is used to directly communicate a message. Ito yung mababasa mo sa header or nasa paragraph mismo. Lastly is the texture. We use it to create a visual tone and can influence yung look and feel ng design. Hindi naman kailangan lahat ng elements ay nasa iisang design. It still depends kung para kanino ka nagdi-design. Kasi bawat audience may kanya-kanya silang taste. Kailangan mo lang alamin kung ano yung gusto nila. Follow for more.